Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial you learn how to set your WordPress website redirection. This is your WordPress website. You have old page name sum of page. When you click here was showing this page does not seems to exist, or somehow here is showing 404 error. How to solve this error? Why show this error? When you delete your old page, then showing this error, or otherwise when you change your page URL, if somehow Google rank this URL, you change your website URL, then user cannot find old page, because you need to set your WordPress website redirection. How to set redirection? So here is some example. You need to add redirection plugin, and here you need to source URL, your old page path and your targeted new page path, and then add redirect. So let's go. So open our website, WordPress website. Here dashboard, click plugin and click install plugin. Here click add new, click redirection. When you search, here already showing 2 million plus active installs. This plugin is best, so install now. Activate. So now click settings. This is source URL and target URL. So our source URL and target URL, start setup, continue, testing API, good, continue. Here click redirects. I need to set source URL, so here I type my old page URL /old page, and here our targeted URL is this post. This website, this post. When user click old page, user redirect to this page. Add this redirection. When open our website and click here /old page, here you showing old page not showing, but here is showing this post. If you like this video, please thumbs up. See you on the next video.